Steno Wale Babu welcomes you. Shorthand dictations in male and female voice from all sources like magazines, speeches, and editorials at various speeds up to 120 WPM for various departments like SSC, DSSB, CRPF, Delhi Police, etc. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.
Exercise number 9. Honorable members, I am pleased to address the first joint sitting of Parliament after the election of the 17th Lok Sabha in the year commemorating the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. I extend my heartiest congratulations to all newly elected members of this Lok Sabha. More than 61 crore voters of the country set a new record by casting their votes and enhanced the credibility of India's democracy in the world. People have stood in long queues, braving extreme heat to cast their votes. This time, compared to previous elections, more women have cast their votes and their participation has been almost equal to men. Crores of youth have voted for the first time and played an important role in shaping India's future. All voters deserve to be congratulated for the success of this election. I also convey my best wishes to the new Speaker of the Lok Sabha for this new responsibility. I congratulate the entire team of the Election Commission for successful completion of the world's largest election. The contribution of employees of several administrative departments and various institutions as well as the security forces in successful conduct of the electoral process is extremely praiseworthy. Nearly half of the MPs in this Lok Sabha have been elected for the first time. The election of 78 women MPs, which is the highest number in the history of the Lok Sabha, presents the picture of a new India. It is a matter of joy that the reflection of India's diversity is visible in this joint sitting. People of every age hailing from villages and cities belonging to every profession are members of both the houses. Many members are associated with social service. Many are from the field of agriculture, from business and economic sphere, while other members are from the field of education, medical profession, which saves the lives of people, and legal profession, which provides justice to the people. MPs who have made their mark in the world of cinema are art, literature and culture are also present here. I am confident that your unique experiences will contribute to enriching the discussions in Parliament. The people of the country have given a very clear mandate in this election. After assessing the performance of the government during the first tenure, the people have given even stronger support for the second term to the government. Thank you.